Hello everyone from Missouri. Here to check out the St. James Winery right here in front of you.
Yeah, we got all of our dry reds there. We got semi-dry whites.
Well,
all of our sweet wines.
The dry reds are back here, honey. She likes the dries.
There's a pineapple mango.
Pineapple and mango.
Yep, it's part of our juice series. There's two that I have for samples that are not on the floor yet. I have a blueberry lemon and a cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is really good.
I was gonna say they both sound good.
Flight for $12, and it'll be right there. It'll equal out to a glass and a half of wine. And then here's our list.
I'm gonna do a flight.
Okay.
I want to try the port.
Try one sweet for me.
We'll have the folly.
So St. James Winery here in St. James, Missouri, folks. This is different. See, Nora saw that herself. Might grab one of those. Well, but she didn't see this one though. She likes peach.
Is that one?
It's all on the other side.
These ones are bubbly.
Bubbly. So we're doing a wine sample. We're doing a flight wine sample, and she chose from left to right here. This Project 1970. She likes the reds. I like the whites. 2023 Explorer. That guy there. Navuo, whatever that is. That's that guy right there. The reds. She likes the reds. She likes the tartness. For me, she picked out this Winemaker Folly, which is a tangerine and honeyed peach. That guy there. It's got a good flavor, but tastes just one that's like flavored water. It's the best way to describe it. And then she picked up this, tried out this dessert right here, which is number 5 right here. And then this cherry blossom, which isn't available in store right now, right?
Right.
I like that. So there is the flight, and yep, that one for me, I like that one the best, followed by that guy next. What about for you? Which ones do you like the best? Has he taken our sample or finished the glass?
Of course I like the one I just finished.
Mm-hmm.
I like the white. The cherry blossom's good. Actually, I liked them all, so.
Okay. So, took our flight, and we are getting absolutely the cherry blossom. And the flight has been completed, and we both like the cherry blossom. And she likes the Nidivu, I don't know what it's called. Let me know down in the comments below what that pronunciation is, please. But that's the flight. Pretty good. We might pick up something else. It's not part of the flight. Nice displays, folks. Definitely worth the visit. Make sure to come by if you are in the area on Route 66 between Springfield and St. Louis, closer to Springfield. We have bubbly wine, cherry moscato, blackberry, and peach. Bubbly. Some merch. Apparently they won a lot. They won a lot. Pretty cool. On display. Look at all the rewards, folks. Best of Show White Wine 2014. Pink Catawamba, whatever Catawamba is. I'm not a connoisseur of wine by any stretch. I just like good tasting stuff. If I don't know what Catawamba is, let me know. So this is St. James. Here's your sampling menu to choose from. If you are in the St. James, Missouri area, about an hour east of Springfield, Missouri, check it out. Right off of Interstate 44.
Route 66.
It's on the historic Route 66 byway, southwest Missouri, exit 195 on I-44. Make sure to check them out. St. James Winery, St. James, Missouri. Have a wonderful day.